What's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is your buddy, your pal, London Hawthorne, and I am here with yet another unboxing. This is an Amazon Prime unboxing, and it shipped from Lexington, Kentucky. I am getting out my trusty knife right here, and I'm going to open it up. As always, thanks so much for watching my videos. Please subscribe, please share, and check out some of my other ones. Right here, we've got some tempered glass screen protectors. Trying to see if there's a brand name, but I guess tempered glass. Hardness. So I got my mom LG Velvet, and she already cracked 2 screens that I've gotten her so far. So got her another one. So these are like little protective auxiliary tools, I guess. I don't know. But it's a 2-pack. They have their own little, they have like 2 level layers of protection, I guess. 3, really. So this piece right here protects it, and it goes around your LG phone. Then there's this piece, and then that. Well, I guess there's like 5 layers, including this. But yeah, as always, thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe, please share, check out my other thousands and thousands of videos. I'm probably well over 1,000 unboxings by now. What do you think of the LG Velvet? Do you have it? Do you have a preferred screen protection? Let me know in the comments below. I really appreciate everyone watching my videos. Please subscribe, please share. If you like cool t-shirts, go to riptapparel.com or onceuponat.net. Find your shirt or shirts of choice. Save $3 or more off every single shirt when you're checking out if you use my username, London Hawthorne. Thanks so much for watching. I wish you the best. Have a great day.